Hello, art makers. Today we are going to be still working on our parrot drawing, so I'm hoping you still have that from our previous art time. And the last time that we were together, we were learning about monochromatic colors. This week we are going to be studying a bit more about color and focusing on cool colors and warm colors for the background of our parrot. But before we do that, our parrot right now is just floating in the air, and so we need to add a perch for our parrot. And so the perch that we are going to be adding is a branch. So I'm going to sketch that out right below the talons of my parrot and making sure that I add the details on the branch with all the tiny branches and twigs that are branching off of it. The bark I am now sketching in, and I want to add colorful colors to my branch. So my branch is actually abstract. I have all those different abstract colors. And now I'm adding tropical leaves to my perch. Remember that parrots are in a tropical climate. That's their natural habitat. And so we are going to be using tropical style leaves for the perch. And I will finish this up. You could use as many leaves as you'd like for your drawing. I'm just going to be adding one. Oh, actually I added two in here. Sorry about that. I'm now adding another leaf right below, just a tiny mini one on the bottom of the perch. And you can make any color choices you'd like on both of the leaves that you've made. If you've made more than that, great. Now our next step is to study the color wheel. And so I'm going to sketch out a color wheel for us to take a look at. You might have to refer back to this part of the video so you're able to see the different types of warm colors and cool colors as you're working on your own art. So I'm going to divide up the color wheel here. And all the colors on the top are cool colors. The blue violet, violet, red violet, green, blue green, yellow green. Those colors are all cool colors. And then we have the warm colors right below that. So we have the magenta, red, red-orange, orange, yellow-orange, and yellow. So those are all the color choices that you can make. We're specifically going to be using the cool colors on the watercolor wash in the background. And then the warm colors we're going to be using for the patterns of our wind. I know that wind doesn't have lines when you're looking outside, but we're going to use lines to represent wind. So I'm going to do that right now. Now remember, we're just using warm colors for this. So I've selected yellow, red, yellow-orange, a bit of orange, and now I'm painting the background in using the cool colors. So here I am using dark blue, I have a light blue, I have violet. Right now I'm using a violet to paint over some of the blue areas. I like to overlap my colors as I'm painting. And my painting is finished now. We'll see you next week.